Yep, to my knees. There it is, just to my knee. Holy cow. This looks good there, but this is all full of like a foot to 2.5. All the way out there. It's gonna be hard for me to go. It's a pile of I've been shoveling, plowing the streets. Wow. Can't even walk. Look at that. Officially, it seems like we did not break any big records. It's just it was a big nasty storm though. Alrighty, so I don't think I could walk too much. And go to the street, I have to jump that. So let's see.